Today, I am reviewing Dell Inspiron 16 2025. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Dell Inspiron 16 touchscreen laptop is a powerhouse built for professionals, creators, and multitaskers who want speed, style, and reliability all in one sleek machine. Designed for 2025 and beyond, this laptop merges cutting-edge hardware with smart, modern features that make it stand out as one of the most capable laptops in its class. Let's start with performance. Under the hood, this Dell Inspiron 16 comes equipped with Intel's latest 10-core Core 7 150 processor, clocking up to an impressive 5.4 GHz. That's serious power. Whether you're juggling dozens of browser tabs, working with complex Excel spreadsheets, editing high-resolution photos, or joining back-to-back Zoom meetings, this processor handles it all without breaking a sweat. The responsiveness is instant, and the overall fluidity of the system makes it ideal for business users, content creators, or students who demand top performance from their machines. Complementing that performance is a massive 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is lightning fast and ensures true multitasking freedom. You can run multiple applications side by side, like Microsoft Teams, Adobe Creative Cloud, and Chrome, without any stutters or slowdowns. DDR5 memory also consumes less power, keeping the laptop efficient and cooler, which is great for extended work sessions. On top of that, the 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD offers blazing fast storage speeds, booting Windows 11 Pro in just a few seconds and opening large files almost instantly. You can store years' worth of documents, media, and software without ever worrying about running out of space. Now, let's talk about the display. The Inspiron 16 features a beautiful 16-inch Full HD Plus touchscreen display with a crisp resolution of 1920 by 1200. The extra screen height gives you more workspace, perfect for spreadsheets, design layouts, or multitasking with split screens. The display is anti-glare, meaning it reduces reflections and eye strain, making it comfortable to use even under bright lights or in outdoor settings. Whether you're working long hours or relaxing with a movie, the visuals stay vibrant, sharp, and easy on the eyes. And because it's a touchscreen, you can tap, swipe, and zoom directly on the screen, making navigation intuitive and natural. Design-wise, Dell has done a fantastic job. The laptop comes in a stunning ice blue finish that looks elegant and modern. The chassis feels premium yet lightweight for a 16-inch model, weighing about 4.3 pounds, easy to carry in a backpack or briefcase. The full-size backlit keyboard is comfortable to type on, and Dell has even added a dedicated Microsoft Copilot AI key, giving you quick access to smart AI assistants right from your keyboard. It's an intelligent touch that fits perfectly in today's productivity-driven world. Security and convenience are also top-notch here. There's a fingerprint reader built into the power button, so logging in is quick and secure. No passwords required. The laptop includes Windows 11 Pro, giving you access to enterprise-level security features like BitLocker encryption and remote desktop support. This makes it a great fit for business professionals who handle sensitive data or work remotely. Connectivity is another strong point. With Wi-Fi 6E, the Dell Inspiron 16 ensures faster and more reliable internet connections, even on congested networks. You also get Bluetooth support for peripherals and a generous range of ports including USB Type-C, USB 3.2 Type-A, HDMI, and an SD card reader. That means you can connect external displays, storage devices, and accessories with ease. No dongles required. Audio and video quality are equally impressive. The laptop features dual-tuned speakers for clear, full sound and an integrated 1080p Full HD webcam with temporal noise reduction. Video calls look sharp and professional, while the dual microphones ensure your voice comes through loud and clear. Whether you're in a meeting or attending online classes, your communication setup is always reliable. Battery life is another win for this Dell model. Thanks to its high-capacity battery and fast charging support, you can recharge up to 80% in just 60 minutes. That's perfect for professionals on the move. You can plug it in during a short break and get hours of power back in no time. In real-world use, the Dell Inspiron 16 shines across the board. For business users, it's fast, secure, and efficient. For students, it's a multitasking powerhouse with long battery life. And for creators or casual users, the large touchscreen and powerful specs make it ideal for entertainment, light editing, and daily computing. Overall, the Dell Inspiron 16 touchscreen laptop is a complete package, a blend of power, precision, and practicality. Its 10-core Intel processor delivers next-level speed. The 32GB DDR5 memory ensures multitasking fluidity, and the 1TB SSD provides both speed and massive storage.